is giving you a formal invitation to join me as a host in the future as well, because you are by far one of the best hosts that I've ever seen across the globe. There are very few anchors who can actually remember the entire script this good without even having a cue card or anything. I've only seen one anchor before this, and she's like 5 or 6 times EMA winner, and you're the second one I've seen. So can we please give him a very big round of applause? What a fabulous job he's been doing and keeping everybody thoroughly entertained. I'd just like to tell my event managers, मुझे क्यों बुलाया? I mean, ज़रूरत बिल्कुल नहीं थी, because he's doing such a fabulous job himself. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I am not going to bore you with the details of this event, because everyone has already told you number of times they have come here, all of our speakers, all of the leaders who are present here. So I would just like to congratulate the entire committee, the entire team of our circle. First and foremost, let's give them a very big round of applause, the entire Ask Circle team, for doing such a brilliant job of organizing the 15th MFRT conference. This is India's biggest mutual fund event, and it is an absolute honor and privilege for me to be present here, to be a part of this wonderful event. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm your host for the evening, Vijay Annie, and let us take this forward. There's lots of nostalgia in this particular event, because after traveling the entire country, we've been to Mumbai, Bangalore, Delhi, Pune, Agra, Bhubaneswar, and now finally we are back here to Kolkata. There's something very special happening next year, which I'll also brief you about in a short while. But before that, without further ado, I would like to tell you a little about our next upcoming speaker, who is a fabulous personality. क्यों फैबुलस बोल रही हूँ, इसके पीछे भी एक बहुत खास वजह है. जब मैं यहाँ पे आई थी और ब्रीफिंग दिया जा रहा था मुझे, तो इनके बारे में कुछ चीज़ें मुझे पता चला. और सबसे पहले जो आस्क सर्कल कमेटी के मेंबर्स ने मुझे बताया, इनको बोला जाता है द डॉन ऑफ द म्यूचुअल फंड इंडस्ट्री. इसके लिए खास कर तालियां जोरदार होनी चाहिए. दिस इज अ वेरी स्पेशल ऑनर मेंशन फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर जेंटलमैन. Mr. Nimesh Shah, ladies and gentlemen, he's joined ICICI Prudential AMC, IPAMC in July 2007 as the MD and CEO. And under his leadership, the AMC has emerged as one of the largest, most respectful and trusted investment managers in India. Over the past 16 years, under Mr. Shah's leadership, the AMC has transformed into India's premier investment manager, aligned to investor interest and leverage digital innovations to improve its customers' investment experience. Nimesh's focus has always been on investor centricity, consistent investment performance, maintaining high levels of transparency and disclosures, besides sticking to the basics. In the year 2018, he was the elected chairperson of the Association of Mutual Funds in India, and he is currently a director with AMFI and also serves as a governing council member with ICICI Foundation. Let's give him a very big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Nimesh has nearly 3 decades of experience in the banking and financial services industry, and most of which has been with ICICI Group. He holds degrees in chartered accountancy and cost accountancy. So the gentleman I'm inviting on stage right now has more experience than my age, which is amazing. It would be an absolute honor to be in his presence and to listen to his speech. Can we please welcome him with a very big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Let us call on the dais Mr. Nimesh Shah, the Managing Director and CEO. A very good evening, sir.
So I've got more experience than your age. Huh? That is what people make me feel, but I don't feel that old. Right? So when management trainees joins, it happened not today. This is another time that it has happened that I've got more experience than your age. कुछ 10 साल पहले मैं मैनेजमेंट ट्रेनीज को मिल रहा था और I was telling them my history that I joined ICICI in 1993, And one of the girls after some time told me that I was born in 1994. So that is when my realization started that के generation change गया, right? But I challenge my management trainees कि आप बड़ी-बड़ी बातें करते हो, strategy की बात करते हो, right? And as far as excitement is concerned, unless I look at the mirror, I don't realize that I'm 53. Right? I realize I'm 53 only when I look at the mirror. Otherwise, I don't think that my management trainees are more excited than me. I can compete with them on excitement, right? On doing business, on coming to office every day. So anyway, coming to business, it has always been very exciting to come for MFRT. We meet known faces. Right, so it's always good to come at MFRT because it covers a very wide range of people. And it is also, for me, it is also somewhere to give hisab as to what has happened in the last 1 year. Right, we people who take public money, we take your money, you are distributing our products to your customers. So it is our responsibility to come and show our face so that you can take a judgment on us. So for me, I think this business is all about trust. It is all about whether how much your customers trust you and you can trust us. But when for 16 years I'm doing the same job, exactly I come and sit at the same chair every day, and I am very, very excited what we are going to see now going forward. I'm looking at a simple number. मैं बरसों से एक ही नंबर देख रहा हूँ. मैं banker था. Before I came to the mutual fund industry, I was a banker. So banking में हम देखते थे total deposits कितनी है. So total deposits of the banking industry, and every year I tell you the same. Hello, yeah. Next 30 minutes में जो बात करने वाला हूँ is going to be the same that I talked 1 year back. Nothing is going to change because my business is the same. Right? There is nothing that changes in my business. Right? What I and Ashish used to work together years back, आज भी मैं वही बात करता हूँ. कंपनी में कुछ अलग नहीं बात कर रहा हूँ. मेरे बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स को जो प्रेजेंटेशन देता हूँ एवरी ईयर सेम ही होता है. अलग क्या हो सकता है? राइट, वही बैलेंस एडवांटेज फंड है, वही डिस्कवरी फंड है, वही ब्लू चिप फंड है, उसी तरह से मैनेज कर रहे हैं. एवरी ईयर इट बिकम्स मोर एंड मोर बोरिंग. द बिजनेस हैज टू बिकम मोर एंड मोर बोरिंग. द बिजनेस हैज टू बिकम मोर एंड मोर प्रेडिक्टेबल. राइट, दैट्स व्हाट आई डू फॉर अ लिविंग. आई मेड द कंपनी वेरी 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 बोरिंग. Right, and you should be able to predict what is going to happen next. But while the business is boring, while the business has been made boring, what opportunity sits in front of us? So I look at only one number, deposit numbers. Banking industry deposit. 190 lakh crores is the banking deposits in this country. 190 lakh crores. Right? 10 years back when I was talking to you, I was saying that banking is 10%. We are 10% of the banking industry. Right? We are 10% of the banking industry. Today we are 24% of the banking industry. It is only 10 years. In last 10 years, we have moved from 10% of the banking industry to 24% of the banking industry. And banking has been growing 10% per annum. Mutual funds have been growing 20% per annum. Look at the impact of it over 10 years. हम compounding की बात करते हैं ना, अपने धंधे का compounding देखो. Right? Mutual fund industry has grown over the last 10 years by 20% per annum. Right? कौन से business में ये मिलेगा that you can keep on growing by 20% per annum? Right? It's a fantastic business. And as I project what will happen, right, before I retire, I believe that we will become 1/3 of the banking industry. मैं बहुत aggressive estimate नहीं लगा रहा हूँ. Right? This is what I told my board also. By 2030, we'll be 1/3 of the banking industry. Banking deposits are growing by 10% per annum. 10% per annum यानी 7 साल में डबल होएगा. So this 190 lakh crores will become 380 lakh crores by 2030. 380 lakh crores of banking industry, 1/3 is mutual fund industry, will be at least 125 lakh crores. Today we are 44 lakh crores. Right? So then in the next 3 years, this industry will become 3 times of what we are today. Right? So I always worry. मेरा मार्केट शेयर है 13%. राइट, मेरी कंपनी में जब आशीष और मैं साथ में काम करते थे, आशीष और मैं एक ही चीज देखते थे, मार्केट शेयर क्या है. राइट, सो इफ आई मेंटेन माय मार्केट शेयर,
I'll be 15 lakh crores by 2030. Right, today I'm 6 lakh crores. So it is not my challenge is not whether we'll grow or not. We will grow. अगर हम गलती नहीं करेंगे तो we'll grow. Right, my challenge is how will I manage that much money. Right, the only मेरा पूरे thoughts उस पे ही जाते हैं, मेरे thoughts उस पे नहीं जाते हैं. मुझे पता है मैं मेरा market share maintain करूंगा. मेरे को डर ये लगता है कि मैं पैसे मैनेज कैसे करूंगा. जैसे जैसे स्केल बढ़ता है, how many companies in this country have failed because they have not been able to manage scale, right? Managing a 2,000 crore fund and managing a 10,000 crore fund and managing a 20,000 crore fund is completely different. It requires a complete different mindset of the manager. जो आदमी 2,000 करोड़ ठीक मैनेज कर सकता है, वो 10,000 करोड़ नेसेसरी नहीं है कि वो ठीक मैनेज करेगा, जब तक वो उसका थॉट प्रोसेस चेंज नहीं करता है. राइट, इट कैन नॉट बी मैनेज्ड. Right, the mindset with which you are managing a 2,000 crore fund and the mindset that you are managing a 10,000 crore fund is completely different. That is why in India, a lot of guys who are managing a 2, 3, 5,000 crore fund well, when they go to 10, 15, 20,000 crores, they are not managing the fund properly. You have seen it, so many heads are nodding in the audience. We have seen it before. So one thing, I believe that this industry is beautiful. We are growing customers. When I am saying that we will become 1/3 of the banking industry, why I am saying that? Because I am seeing the rate at which we are growing customers. Right? We are growing customers by more than 20% per annum. I am not talking about the AUM here. I am talking about the customers. Right? The new form of channels, the digital channels are giving more and more customers. आजकल म्यूचुअल फंड IFAs उतना ज़्यादा customers नए नहीं लाते. राइट, नए कस्टमर्स कौन लाता है? नए कस्टमर्स ग्रो लाता है, नए कस्टमर्स जीरोधा लाता है. द डिजिटल चैनल्स आर ब्रिंगिंग इन न्यू कस्टमर्स. आप लोगों को तो यू आर इन अ वेरी हैप्पी स्टेट. राइट, जितने भी लोगों को मैं बाहर मिला, लोग बहुत खुश है. सबका EUM डबल हो गया. राइट, सबका EUM डबल हो गया, ट्रिपल हो गया लास्ट 3-4 साल में. सो सब लोग यहाँ पे बहुत खुश है. जब खुश हो जाते हो तो प्रॉब्लम होता है. राइट, जब खुश हो जाते हो तो मैं कल मेरी कंपनी में भी बात कर रहा था that if you are satisfied, you are finished. Right? I always say that big companies go down because of 3 issues. I have told you earlier. 3 companies can kill ICICI Prudential AMC. A, B, C. Arrogance, bureaucracy and complacency. All these 3. I have told this 5 years back also, and I am telling it again today, that arrogance, bureaucracy and complacency can kill us. Right? So I was telling my staff also yesterday night, right? हम लोग 4-5 घंटे बैठे थे. That how are we not going to become? So these 3 features, if we start getting happy with what we have achieved, right, we will surely go down. If we become very bureaucratic, and a huge organization does get bureaucratic, right? As we get more and more bureaucratic, also we can go down. So we are ensuring that we don't become bureaucratic. That's what we are trying. It's an endeavor that we have. So I always say you should have a person like Ashish in ICICI Prudential. When you have a person like Ashish in ICICI Prudential, nobody can be complacent within the organization. Right? So I still miss Ashish. So coming back to, so I believe customers are growing. So this industry is set to grow, and if we don't goof up, and the beautiful part today is the customers are very satisfied. I'm very happy to come on stage and say that it's a very proud moment for me to come and say that 100% of our customers are happy. Right? Anybody who has completed 3 years with me, anybody who has completed 3 years with ICICI Prudential has earned in double-digit returns. Right? So that is what makes us happy. Right? The real happiness comes out of that 100% of my customers. Of course, the markets are also helping. I don't take all the credit to ICICI Prudential. The markets are giving good returns, and ICICI is following that. So India is in a very... I don't want to discuss India and how great we are and etc. because next 2-3 दिन में आपको बहुत ज्ञान मिलेगा. Right? Next 2-3 में आपको बहुत ज्ञान मिलेगा कि इंडिया कैसा ग्रेट है. कल नवनीत भी बात करने वाला है, कल नरेश भी आ रहा है, तो वो लोग सब आपको बोलेंगे इंडिया कितना ग्रेट है और इंडिया में कितना अपॉर्चुनिटी है. मैं तो अपने धंधे की बात कर रहा हूँ. राइट? मेरा और धंधा, आपका धंधा एक ही है. राइट? हम दोनों एसेट एलोकेशन करते हैं. राइट? दैट्स ऑल वी डू इन लाइफ. and businesses are same, and scale can increase. It is up to, I was telling people in ICICI Prudential yesterday, it is in your hands. Now from Bombay I can't do anything. Right? I can't be able to do much from Bombay because every zone will decide how ambitious you are. The more ambitious you are, the more you would want to grow. Market is infinite. I always said that India mein business karna is like taking a tumbler and going into the market is unlimited. आप कैसे भी business करो, business आ जाता है. So whether it is distributor or whether it is a manufacturer, it is our own want, need to grow. Right? If you have got a need to grow, you can keep on growing in this market. This market is going to grow like mad. Right? Market is going to become 3 times of what it is today. If the question is in your court and in my court, how much we want to grow in that. Right? अगर मैं इतना growth दिख रहा है, अगर म्यूचुअल फंड इंडस्ट्री 45 करोड़ से 125 करोड़ जाएगी, आपको देखना है उतने डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स है क्या कंट्री में उतना ग्रोथ लाने के लिए. कस्टमर तो आएगा, वो या तो आपके थ्रू आएगा या तो मेरी ऑफिस में डायरेक्ट आएगा, वो कैसे भी आएगा, आपके ऊपर है कि आपको उसको लाना है कि नहीं लाना है. So my problem with lot of people that I meet nowadays among community is that is the happiness quotient very high? Are people too satisfied with the business that they have? Because घर पे बैठे business has gone 3 times in the last 3-4 years. The EUMs have shot up, right? So please worry about complacency. I am very worried about that, right? That people should not get too happy. When businessmen get too happy, he stops growing, right? That's the worry that I always have. So I have always said that I run ICICI Prudential Risk Management Company. I am not trying to enforce huge amount of sales. I don't spend much time on sales. The biggest time that I spend on is trying to become a better risk manager. Right? When you're managing so much money, the only thing that you can do is how do you manage risk will decide my future. I believe as you grow scale, your ability to take risk goes down, right? Because you don't want unsatisfied customers. I don't want unsatisfied customers. 88% of the business comes from existing customers. अगर कस्टमर खुश है तो वो और पैसा देगा. आपके बिजनेस में भी वही है, मेरे बिजनेस में भी वही है. तो ज्यादा कुछ करने का नहीं है मेरे को पता है मार्केट ग्रो होने वाला है, तो मैं क्यों ज्यादा ट्राई करूं? I just want to run a steady ship, right? There will be a lot of people and there are going to be a lot of changes. New AMCs will come, passive. I know that every day articles will come in paper. Suddenly you see a lot of articles will come in newspaper. How these AMCs who are doing management are not doing enough for the customer. All those articles will come, I know. Because people are coming with passive products, all these articles will come. उनका business model होगा वो कि आप बोलो कि यार ये AMCs alpha generate नहीं करती है. Right? You have to say all that. If you don't say all that, how will people move to passive funds? Right? If their model is passive funds, they will ensure that articles come. So I'm fully prepared for those articles, but I have to be also at ICICI Prudential. I also understand that a set of new guys will come in, and they will come in very soon in the market, which will come with a lot of digital products. So my technology, which sucks today, right, has to be a much better than what it is today. Right? Otherwise, I won't be able to sustain this growth. So what we are working on that by the time I come and talk to next year, my platforms are way superior than what they are today. Right? Because new digital AMCs will come who will be only digital. Right? They will be only passive. They will try and badmouth me as much as they want. Right? Every new AMC is going to come and tell you how yes we are. Right? It's going to happen. I know it is happening today also, and it will continue happening. I told my guys were telling me yesterday that some of the ex-employees out and joining other AMC are talking bad things. मैं बोला उसका मॉडल है, बिजनेस मॉडल है वो तो करेगा. Right? You have to keep on saying how good you are or what you are doing for the customers, and ultimately in our numbers will talk. Right? So let the numbers talk. It is okay whatever people are saying, let them say, but ultimately at the end of the day numbers will talk. So we are doing the same things, same boring things every day after day we do the same things, और चल रहा है ठीक ठाक. So मेरा इतना ही है कि मैं कितनी कम गलती करूं. जब आप 6 लाख करोड़ मैंने, मेरे वहां जब नया MBA आता है ना, मैं उसको पहले मेरा AUM लिखने बोलता हूं. नया MBA आके ज्यादा स्ट्रेटेजी का बात करता है तो मैं उसको बोलता हूं 5,78,000 करोड़ लिख के दिखा. राइट, तो 5,78,000 करोड़ में 90% MBA गलती करते हैं. राइट, वो 5,78,000 करोड़ में एक आध जीरो इधर उधर भूल ही जाता है लिखने को. उसके बाद स्ट्रेटेजी का बात कर. सो इट्स अ ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ मनी. व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल माय पीपल दैट वी आर मैनेजिंग ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ मनी, and that money has to be managed very conservatively in the interest of investors at all point of time. So I am quite okay, and we are very satisfied today when we are facing you that we have done a decent job of risk management. Fund का return comes out of risk management. हमारे वहाँ बहुत ग्लैमर है, लोगों को फंड मैनेजर को सुनना है, लोगों को तो हम फंड मैनेजर सुनाते हैं, but ultimately how do you control risk in the company? I always said that Amit Bhosle, who manages risk in my company, is the most important guy, right? Because he has got, there are 28 people in ICICI Prudential who only look at risk. Risk management team is much bigger than fund management team, right? So that is a very central function. And when I was 50,000 crores of equity AUM, I told you that in 3 years time, see, this business is very interesting, right? What we are trying to do, we are planning to, जो मैंने last time भी बोला था, मैं Prudent के पास सीखा है that 1% of the AUM should become your SIPs, right? When 1% of AUM becomes SIP, in a year 12% will come out of SIP, 12% growth will come out of SIP, 10% growth market दे देगा, right? तो 22 to 24% growth अगर stable रखेंगे शिप तो ऐसे ही होएगा. और 20 to 24% अगर ग्रो हो गए तो 3 साल में डबल हो जाओगे. उतना ग्रोथ मैनेज करना है, राइट? सो द होल चैलेंज फॉर AMCs like HDFC or an ICICI or an SBI is how do we manage growth, right? We should not falter on managing growth. So what we have done, and I think you should do very similar things, is that we have spread our bets amongst various people. तो मैं जब आज 3 लाख करोड़ मैनेज करता हूं तभी मैंने कैपेसिटी क्रिएट की है कि मैं 6 लाख करोड़ मैनेज कर पाऊंगा, राइट? आज मेरे पास उतने फंड मैनेजर एक्स्ट्रा है, इतने फंड मैनेजर एक्स्ट्रा बना के मैं फंड मैनेजर मार्केट में ढूंढने नहीं जाता हूं. मेरे पास फंड मैनेजर ऑलरेडी कंपनी में मौजूद है. जब मैं 50,000 करोड़ मैनेज कर रहा था मेरे पास 1 लाख करोड़ के फंड मैनेजर थे. अब जब 1 लाख करोड़ था तभी 2 लाख करोड़ के फंड मैनेजर मौजूद थे. जब 1.5 लाख करोड़ था तभी 3 लाख करोड़. ये सब 3 साल में होता है. तो जब जरूरत पड़े तभी फंड मैनेजमेंट, हम फंड मैनेजर ढूंढने नहीं जाते. तो जब आज मैं 3 लाख करोड़ का इक्विटी AUM मैनेज करता हूं तभी मेरे पास 6 लाख करोड़ के फंड मैनेजर ऑलरेडी मौजूद है, राइट? टू एंड एट एवरी 50,000 crores, I have said it earlier also and I have maintained that at every 50, how have we managed scale and still given performance is that at every 50,000 crores there is a new AMC, right? मैं एक AMC नहीं चलाता हूं, ये एक AMC में 6 AMC चल रही है. और कल 5 लाख करोड़ होगा तो 5 लाख करोड़ में 10 AMC चलेगी, right? So we'll keep on increasing the fund management team in a way that will give independent control of at every 50,000 crores. Naren is the CIO, but under Naren there are many people